नमस्कार दोस्तों, टू द पॉइंट प्रोग्राम में आपका स्वागत है। आज का हमारा विषय है साइट्स, कन्वेंशन ऑन इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड इन इंडेंजर्ड स्पीसीज ऑफ वाइल्ड फौना एंड फ्लोरा। साइट्स इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द वॉशिंगटन कन्वेंशन. It is an international agreement, multilateral treaty between the governments. It was drafted as a result of a resolution adopted by members of IUCN in 1963. It entered into force in 1975. Its aim is to ensure that international trade in specimen of wild animals and plants does not threaten their survival. Parties to CITES. States that have agreed to be bound by the convention are known as the parties. CITES is legally binding on the parties. However, it does not take the place of national laws. It only provides a framework to be respected by each party. The parties need to adopt their own domestic legislation to ensure that CITES is implemented at the national level. आज का क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं हम लोग. With reference to the International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources (IUCN) and the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora (CITES), which of the following statement are correct? IUCN is an organ of United Nations and CITES is an international agreement between governments. IUCN runs thousands of field projects around the world to better manage natural environments. Third is, CITES is legally binding on the states that have joined it, but this convention does not take place of national laws. Third statement is correct. Second is also correct. But first is incorrect because IUCN is not an organ of United Nations. Okay. So the correct answer will be 2 and 3. And the explanation is IUCN is an NGO. CITES is an international agreement between the government. Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.